In this tutorial, we're going to look at writing an if function in Excel. So we're going to assume that we work at a company that has a warehouse with a lot of different cans of things, and we need to know when to order, and we're going to say that we need to order if the cans get below 50,000. So let's just type in some numbers here. And then we need to write our if formula. So we always start with an equal sign followed by the function if and an open parentheses. Then as I look at my arguments, it says, what is my logical test? Well, my test is this cell here. So I will click on it, and if that cell is less than 50,000, then I need to order. Be sure and not put a comma for 50,000 because that would take you to your next argument. So I will do that now, put my comma. And what is my value if true? If that does reach less than 50,000, what do I want the textual output in this cell to be? Well, I want it to say order. Anytime I want my output to be text, I have to put that in quotation marks. So I'm going to put order, quotation marks, and then a comma for my next argument, which is value if false. If that's false, what I want it to say, and I want it to say it's okay, I do not need to order. And then I will close my parentheses and enter. So I do need to order carrots because it's less than 50,000 cans. Then when I use my fill handle and copy down, I can see I also need to order corn, but I do not need to order beans because I have over 50,000 cans, so it came out to okay. So that's how you write an if function in Excel.